I know it's hit the mall to see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks. I am back today with a super cute quick bag review. This time this bag is from Bubble Bags, bougie on a budget. We're all about the cute fashions at an affordable price. As always, all links, coupon codes, anything like that will be in the description. They're always in the description. I say that in every video, so just so everyone knows. And also, hope you guys are enjoying your summer. It's about to be July 4th soon, so I'm enjoying it with my baby girl. So yes, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right. This is a bag that I wanted to try for a while now. So this is the gorgeous Louis Vuitton LV monogram carry-all. Well, it's really the monogram carry-all bag. It does come with the long strap, and you have plenty of room for adjustments, no matter your, body size, height, and all that. I am literally loving this bag. I love it. It's such a fresh take on, I feel like, the Neverfull. It's a little bit fresh, a little bit more modern, and I am loving it. I did not think that I would love it as much, because sometimes when things are overhyped, it's like, okay, like you have to try it for yourself. But I'm really blown away by this bag. So of course there's some feet at the bottom, and this is how it is. So I will leave the dimensions for this bag below. I am a new mom, and I would say this is the perfect mommy and me bag, especially since my daughter is getting older. She's gonna be 7 months exactly tomorrow, so I don't really need to carry as much things around, especially when we're just going out, little errands run, or to grab food, or to see a family member. I don't really need to carry her baby bag plus my bag. So I would definitely show you guys, but these are the details. So we have the really cute luggage tag charm here, which I feel like is super cute. You can also dangle any other charms along the sides as well. And I must say, the color is like spot on, you guys. Like, this company always does a really good job, and I love that cranberry interior. So this is how the interior of the bag is. Bear with me because it is quite a big mama, but I did not know that it comes with these little built-in pockets back there. Like, that is so nice, especially for new moms. So you can put your little perfume, you can put a baby's bottle there, you can put a water bottle. Here goes my little lip combo. And then it does come with a little pouch as well, but I'll show you guys that in a second. But what I really love is I love that the key rings are on either side. Like, this bag is the perfect mom on the go, or busy single gal on the go. Like, this bag is perfect for traveling back and forth, especially if you're a woman who doesn't change out her bags as much, so I love that the key rings are on either side. So for safety purposes, you always got your car key on there, your house keys, apartment keys, whatever you got going on. And I love the clasp, and even when you put the bag on, it clasps underneath your arm very easily, and you're like good to go. Like, this is a very nice, well thought out bag by Louis. So of course you guys see all my little stuff in there, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Concealer, powder, all that good stuff in there, so that fits. I have my wallet, just showing you guys. I have a little baby clothing here, and I have some Pampers, just to give you guys just a little idea of what can hold. And I still have the pouch in there, and I still have lots of room. Like, this bag is really stunning. I really enjoy it. So what I love about this pouch, which is different from the Neverfull pouch, it has the vachetta leather going all around, and I feel like that is so cute. And here goes the strap, and it's different, and all you guys need is like maybe like a little extender, a little extra keyring, and you can wear this as a little shoulder bag. Like, how freaking cute is that? Trendy, luxury, chill vibe, cool on the go. Like, it is so nice. Like, I love it. Honestly, like I said, this is the perfect mom and me bag for on the go. Super, super cute. I really, really, really do enjoy it. It's a really nice, just go, grab and go bag. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, coming back and watching with your girl. You guys know I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Stay tuned to my shorts videos. You guys know I've been trying to style and post pretty much every day. Even my little outfit, my bag to go in my outfit. So super cute. And follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned to my community tab here on YouTube, and enjoy the rest of your week.